There are ways to ethically manipulate the Amazon pages so that your product can be linked together with another higher selling product so that you will make windfall sales and thus windfall money. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your product through something called the frequently purchased together, the frequently bought together function on a product details page on Amazon. Now, if you like this kind of content where I'm showing you cool ways to grow your business and expand online, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you've got a question, then post in the comments below and I'll either comment and post there for you, or I'll shoot a video all about that for you so I can answer it in depth. All right, let me show you this cool little hack. And I'm going to give you an easy thing, and then I'm going to give you an advanced thing, okay? So the easy thing first. Here's a product, keto product, and if we scroll down, we can see that Amazon offers this area, frequently purchased together, frequently bought together area, okay? This is a very, very important area, super important. 10% of people who are presented with the frequently brought together simply add all of those things to their cart, okay? 10%. So what does that tell us? Well, it tells us that if you can find a product that is in a complementary niche to your own and engineer yourself into that area, that frequently brought together area, then you will make 10% of the sales that target product makes. Does that make sense? So 10% of all the sales this product makes, if I get myself into here, I will make 2. Pretty cool. That's money for nothing. Money for nothing. You've done nothing for it. It's just somebody just adding all 3 of them to the cart. So that's interesting. The other interesting thing is you don't just need to do that once. You can be one of the frequently purchased suggestions on hundreds of different products. Could be your entire marketing strategy, simply to put your product onto the frequently brought together area by linking those 2 products up. Think about that. So that begs the question, of course, how the fuck do you do that? What the hell do you need to do? How the hell do you get into that area? Let me show you. Let me show you. So, by the way, we are in the files area of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. And all I'm going to do is scroll down because I'm looking for I'm looking for master copy. I'm looking for sample. That's a good one. Sample cease and desist letter. Anyway, that's what I'm looking for. Amazon URLs. That's what I'm looking for. So go find that. And that's got all the cool Amazon URLs in it. Let me just show you that we use, whether that's for simple stuff like canonical URLs, add to cart URLs, and then there's this one, buy together URL. So our buy together URL. Okay, so this URL is a hack. It is, I believe, probably against Amazon's terms of service, which makes it a black hat hack, which means you should use it at your own risk, okay? Just so you know what the hell's going on. But this is what it looks like. I'll just open it. So when I click on that, I've now got the opportunity to add 2 items to my cart at the same time, okay? So if you want to engineer yourself to here, then what you must do is make sales where this product, the target product, and your product are sold together, okay? So this URL here should be your target that you want to get onto and your product that you're selling, okay? And then you can add them both together, bada boom, bada bing, you can get yourself into that area. So that is the URL. That is what you need for that. You can see where it says ASIN 1 and ASIN 2. The ASIN, if you don't know what the hell I'm talking about, is, oops, that part there. That's the ASIN. Okay. Ooh, holy shit, what have I done there? So you can engineer it that way. So the next level of that, so that's the quasi-basic stuff. Let's talk about next level. So the next level of that is to engineer it. How the hell do you do that? So the easiest way of engineering it is to set up a promotion on Facebook where if they buy the target product, let me just get back here. If they buy the target product, this, what you're trying to engineer yourself onto, they get your product at a 50% discount, for instance, okay? That's how you do it. And you set up a Facebook ad that promotes that. You bring them to a landing page, a little bit like this, where you show both things together. Here's the target thing that we're trying to get to. Here's my thing that I'm trying to get onto that. We're going to add those things together. They're going to click that add to cart button. When they click that add to cart button, that's where we take them. We take them here. That was a video from my regular Monday night open Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We've got over 2,500 members and counting. We're actually the fastest growing e-commerce community here in Australia, and our members have got sales of over $50 million online. If you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, you can get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.